EA640F2 indoor LED display is a high-end display product with excellent visual effects, designed for indoor fixed installation. The size of each cabinet is 640 mm x 480 mm, and the width is only 60 mm. The ultra-thin design allows it to easily integrate into various indoor environments. The weight of the entire cabinet is 7.5 kilograms, which is light and sturdy, easy to transport and install. The screen adopts a front maintenance design, and the LED module, power supply, and receiving card can all be maintained from the front, which greatly simplifies the subsequent maintenance work. Without disassembling the entire screen, maintenance personnel can operate quickly and efficiently, saving time and cost. This design makes the EA640F2 an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation projects. Whether it is used in conference rooms, exhibition halls, shopping malls, or other high-end places, the EA640F2 can provide delicate and clear picture effects to meet customers' high requirements for display effects. With its excellent performance and convenient maintenance features, EA640F2 brings customers a high-quality visual experience. We believe that this LED display will become an ideal choice for various commercial displays, providing customers with a more perfect display effect.